Hi guys, this is the video for the electric for moving the AC. You can see this junction box over here. This is the box for the junction that comes out on the side. You can see that's two 12 or 14 gauge wires inside that 3/4 conduit. The idea is to pull the electric through that. That's about a 12-inch line. And a light over there. You can see where that junction actually comes through the wall and then pokes out. That's the vertical conduit that you see there. And then I'll walk you outside really quickly and show you where that comes out at. AC sits here.
Oh, you're still here.
I am. Line set here. Just taking a quick video for the guys.
Okay.
And then that's the junction point for the electric coming out.